So it is a cold morning for Florida standards. It's 47 degrees. And we are at Wekeiva Springs. We're actually at Wekeiva Island. We're going to paddle up to the spring head of Wekeiva Springs. Because of the temperatures and judging from the parking lot, it does not appear that we will see very many people today. So maybe we'll get lucky and we'll get to see some more wildlife. Launching canoes, kayaks, and paddleboards during the weekdays is $10, and on the weekends, $20. That's per vessel. So one of the biggest mistakes you can make while inflating your sup, you'd think you would learn after one or two times, but nope, sometimes you have to keep making the same mistake over and over. There's this little button right here that needs to be set in a certain position. If that button is not set in a certain position, then all that air that you just put into your sup will start to come out, and then you'll have to start pumping it up again. If you think about it, remember to set that in the right position. Sometimes I forget. Here we are at the boat dock, and you can see the water is nice and clear, which is going to make this a very enjoyable paddle. No, I can't. You push me back. Sun's starting to come out, and it is definitely starting to warm up a little bit with a high in the mid-50s. It's not exactly going to be beach weather, but with the temperatures like this, we may have the springs all to ourselves. Let's keep our eye out for some alligator or manatee. Oh. And there's one right there. But as you can see, he's not easy to spot when you're not zoomed in. But we've got a little juvenile alligator just kind of hanging out in the sun, just relaxing. We want to leave him alone. We want him to enjoy the sun just as much as we are. No motor zone beyond this point. We want to keep our eye out into the lily pads. Maybe we'll see a second alligator. Water feels warm. We got some turtles hanging out, catching some sun on a log. I saw one in the water swimming, but by the time I got the camera out, he was gone. Well, there's some people up ahead, so we aren't the only ones out here today. Alright, Miss Kayak 7 Seas is falling behind. She's probably still taking videos of those birds, unless she found something amazing. I should probably go back and check on her. Or I can wait here and see if she shows up. We forgot our walkie-talkies today, so we can't really communicate through distance. Here she comes.
The alligator is over there.
Oh, there's an alligator over there? Nice, thanks. How big? Big one? Oh, nice. All right, we were just told there's an alligator up ahead. Now we definitely got to keep our eyes out and see if we can find it and not spook it. Oh, I see it over there in the distance. He looks like a little bit bigger. He's definitely bigger than that juvenile we saw. He's on the right, just past this little brush area. There he is. All right, so I passed him up a little bit because I had to get my camera out. Let's hope the current starts to take me back and we can get a better view of him. But it was back there, just beyond where Miss Kayak 7 Seas is where it was.
Going down. Swimming. It's on your way. I can see the leaves moving.
An alligator somewhere in the water. Fortunately, Miss Kayak 7 Seas was able to get some video of it. I was drifting too fast, so I just kept going. But she was at a decent distance and was able to get some shots of it before it just decided it was time to start swimming. Well, this is a whole lot different than our last visit to these springs. If you're gonna come and you want solitude, come on a very cold weekday. You'll have the river to yourself. Definitely, if you want some solitude, today's the right day to be here. Look how clear that water is. So now that we've made it to the spring head, we're heading back. It won't take us very long to get to the beginning. So the gator is back. We were on our way back and I spotted it. Let's see if we can't zoom in so you can see it as well. He's got his back turned towards us and he's got a turtle friend with him. Oh, lost my balance on the way in. Now I'm soaked. Alright, so what happened was I was getting ready to come down so I can adjust the camera angle to give you some shots of how clear this water was. And as I was getting ready to drop to my knees, I lost my balance and into the water I went.
It's about time to go home.
Well, my hat from the Bahamas is finally starting to fall apart. That water didn't do it any favors. Thank you all for joining us on this adventure. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe if you enjoy this type of content. Hit that bell notification to get a reminder of future videos. A special thanks to our channel members. If you'd like to further support the channel, become a member and get an awesome little dolphin beside your name to show off your support.